We started Regenerators because we shared a passion of inspiring leaders to redesign how they lead and run organizations in a way that is actually in tune with life instead of life destructive. And to teach us about life, nature really is our greatest teacher. If we zoom in on its intelligence at work, its processes, dynamics, structures, systems, cycles, nature constantly evolve, regenerate, collaborate, seemingly effortlessly. So what can our business models, our innovation of materials, the way we lead and collaborate, learn from nature? And how do we build the thriving, resilient, vibrant organizations where people thrive as well, that are geared for the future? That's the kind of questions we take leaders out in nature to explore.
We need a different type of leadership. A new norm of leadership is being asked for, is being demanded because of the situations that we now face. And creating a deep, stimulating learning environment where people can explore their own thresholds, but also be in a group of very different people from very different backgrounds, whilst we explore a new definition of sustainability, a new definition of agile leadership, a new definition of the organisation as a living system, then something special emerges out of a deep connection in nature whilst exploring regenerative leadership.